calling all city dwellers with a taste for the finer things. Are you ready to elevate your urban living experience? Then look no further than 222 North East Street, Unit 201. This stunning condo is your ticket to the heart of Indianapolis. Step into a world of modern luxury at this chic downtown condo. With 1,215 square feet of stylish living space, you'll have everything you need right at your fingertips. Prepare to be amazed. The open concept design seamlessly blends the living room, dining area, and gourmet kitchen. The centerpiece is undoubtedly the stunning kitchen island, perfect for both cooking and entertaining. Imagine hosting dinner parties with friends while enjoying the sleek stainless steel appliances and expansive granite countertops. The versatile den with pocket doors offers endless possibilities: a home office, guest room, or even a cozy reading nook. Upstairs, the loft bedroom is a private retreat, perfect for relaxation. Both levels boast outdoor areas, offering a breath of fresh air amidst the city. Plus, enjoy the convenience of an unit laundry and a secure underground parking space. You'll be just steps away from the vibrant Mass Avenue, offering endless dining, shopping, and entertainment options. And the best part? This pet-friendly condo welcomes both cats and dogs, so your furry friends can enjoy the city life with you. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to live the downtown dream. Contact us today to schedule a viewing and experience the epitome of urban living at 222 North East Street, Unit 201.